Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm doing a review over this 3-in-1 wireless charger. The good folks sent this over to me to do a review for you guys. I've used it for about a week now and it's been absolutely incredible. The great thing I like about this, the fact that you can actually charge your phone on here. It's got this kind of a angled piece here so that it keeps your phone sitting there, and it actually has a nice little rubberized pit there. You've also got an ability to be able to charge your earbuds there as well, and you've got the ability to be able to charge your watch. It closes in and collapses, so it's very compact. You can put this, honestly, you can put this in your pocket. You can store this somewhere very small, and it keeps it nice and compact and clean. It also comes with this really nice charging cable here. I think this is probably about a 3-foot cable. It is a 20-watt brick, USB Type-C to USB Type-C on both ends, so you're going to take full advantage of the fast charging. As far as the speeds go on these, well, actually, there's where you actually plug in to charge it, which is on the back. As far as the speed on charging, it'll charge your phone at a maximum of 15 watts. It'll charge your earbuds at a maximum of 5 watts and charge your watch at a maximum of 2.5 watts. This is compatible with the Samsung watch, so just keep that in mind. But I'm able to charge my phone and my earbuds on these pads here with iPhone. But as far as this goes, this is just going to work with your Samsung watch. So just keep that in mind. This thing is absolutely incredible. I really like it. It's got the nice little rubberized pieces here. I like wireless chargers because I'm always, if I have my phone sitting somewhere, I'm working or whatnot, I like to set my phone down, keep it charging when I'm not using it, and then whenever I need to go somewhere I can grab it and it's all nice and charged. And that's what's really great about these kind of chargers. You don't have to worry about plugging a cord up or making sure you've got a cord everywhere you go. You just put one of these on your desk and you know you can always charge your phone very easily, or your earbuds or your watch or whatnot. But if you guys are looking for a great, compact, high quality 3-in-1 wireless charger, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.